So we have here our cursor, which is this thing moving around the drawing area. This is your drawing area. It's you can draw as big as a full scale house or building here, but of course scale down to fit in this particular screen. Now for this exercise, what I want to do is I want you to go to your browser and look for a nice modern building. So let's say I'll search here modern building. Go to images and look for a nice building that you'd like to work on. Okay, so hopefully you're going to work on maybe some with straight lines for now. If you're a little bit fancy, you can use this curving lines by Zaha Hadid, a great architect, one of my favorites. But do take note that anything you do here will land in a portfolio. So try to look for a building that's portfolio worthy. Okay, so look for one. Maybe I'll choose this one here. Now, once you have selected your building, can be any building, you can copy or save this image. Save this to your O drive. Now, the O drive is a network drive that Wes was talking about earlier. So you can click on this PC, look for your username with a dollar symbol. That's your O drive. And then create a new folder, the name of which is W2020, and then create another folder, a subfolder, let's just say CAD exercise 1, and then save your file or image there. So you want to save your file in the O drive. Again, the O drive is a drive that you can view even if you log in a different laptop or computer, if that particular drive is mapped in your laptop. Okay, so save it in your O drive, subfolder W2020, subfolder CAD exercise 1. Now, since we got this from a website link, you also want to go to that particular URL or website. So it's this particular website, MyGeo. I want to, especially since we're placing this in our portfolio, I want you to create a Word document. So type Word, W-O, look for Word. How come I can't find Word? Oh, there it is. I found it. I was just impatient. There it is. So open Word, and you want to create a new document. This will be your reference document. So save this in your W drive as well. So this PC, look for your O drive, W2020, place here, name it references. I'll just say references 2 or reference 2. Save it, and then copy here the website. So this is MyGeo, that's the website name. So I'm getting this image from MyGeo. When? I'm getting it today. Does it have a published date? If it does, you can also take that. So I'm taking this image right here. So I'll get the URL. So this is the Uniform Resource Locator. I'm going to copy this, paste it here, and I'm going to say I retrieved this today, which is January 7, 2020. Okay? So that when you use this in your portfolio, you can cite the source. You're going to say this image was taken from my geo, this URL, on this date. Okay? So you have a nice reference link. Save this and place it down for now. Okay. Now, if you have the building name, you can also, maybe I'll just copy and paste this for now. So I have some information regarding this. Or I still also have the link, so I can get that link and go back to that resource in the future. Okay. Next thing you want to do is you want to open a paint application. So you don't just drag and drop the image into AutoCAD. You want to first open it in a paint application. So open paint. And we're going to insert that image into paint.